the world throws punches, knocks you to the ground, fills your head with doubt, with a discouraging sound. Tells you you're not strong enough, not smart enough to win. But don't you listen, don't let the negativity sink in. You've got a fire burning, a strength they can't see, a dream worth fighting for, a future waiting to be free. You can do it, don't let anyone say you can't. Believe in yourself, that's all that really counts. Lift your head up high, let your spirit soar. This is your moment, what are you waiting for? There'll be obstacles, hurdles along the way. Days you feel like giving up, like you can't face another day. But remember the power inside, the strength that you hold. You're capable of anything, let your story unfold. You've got a fire burning, a strength they can't see, a dream worth fighting for, a future waiting to be free. You can do it, don't let anyone say you can't. Believe in yourself, that's all that really counts. Lift your head up high, let your spirit soar. This is your moment, what are you waiting for? Don't be afraid to stumble, to fall and rise again. Every step is a lesson, bringing you closer to the end. The end of doubt, the end of fear, the start of something new, a stronger, braver you.